Hi, Tech Coach Gina here, and today I'd like to announce that registration is open for the website creation workshop. I've been a tech coach in Christina Hill's website creation workshop student groups for over 5 years, and I just wanted to bring this to people's attention just in case you're maybe unhappy with the website that you have, or you'd like to create a website and you need somebody to step you through it. Her program is the best I've seen that teaches websites to non-techies. And you can see screenshots here of some websites that her students have created, and they're absolutely beautiful. It really kind of blows me away how well people can learn WordPress when they're not techie. So registration is open right now, and I'm going to show you how I promote this in ConvertKit. So I'm going to go to my affiliate link, techdoneforyou.com/ConvertKit. This is a free account that I use for demo purposes. So I'm just going to log in, username and password, and go to login. And right now I'm going to go to send and broadcast. Now, when you have a free account with ConvertKit, you can't necessarily send sequences. So there's sequences and it says creator. So that's the creator level of ConvertKit. So you need to upgrade to send a sequence of emails. But broadcasts are great for promotion because it's a time sensitive thing. So I'm just going to go to new broadcast. And I'm going to put in some swipe copy because I'm an affiliate of Christina's, but I would probably promote her even without an affiliate link because I believe in her program. So here's the subject line from the swipe copy. I'm just going to copy one of the suggested subject lines, and you can split test. So let me make sure I delete this out. You could do A-B, so this is a split test. Here's the first subject line. Maybe I'm going to do another option right here. So let's go back, and this is the second subject line, and then here I'm just going to say hi, and I'm going to personalize this. So I'm going to go to the plus, and I'm going to go to personalization, and I'm going to go to the subscriber first name. Just hit comma. Don't change any of this code, so the brackets need to stay there. And then from there you can go ahead and paste in your swipe copy. So I'm just going to copy all of this. I'm going to customize it because I like to do that, especially if there's bonuses, etc. So here we go. I'm just going to hit Control C, which is the shortcut for copy. Control V is the shortcut for paste. And you can see not all of the spacing came over nicely, so I'm just going to hit the backspace and clean this up a little bit. So let's see, this one. And then everywhere where it says insert your affiliate link, I'm going to put in my affiliate link from the email that I got on promotion. So wherever you have this, you want to make sure you delete that out. You don't want to look like you didn't read through this well enough. So I'm going to the link, and I'm going to paste in my affiliate link and go to apply. And everywhere it says that, I'm going to place this kind of placeholder link, which is the wrong link, and hit apply. So a few more places to clean up. Just going to highlight this, go to the link, Control V is paste, and go to apply. So here you can see, with not a lot of effort, I customized this, and sometimes I like to make the links bold, so I'll just highlight and go to the B. You could also use Control B, which is the shortcut for bold. And maybe I'll clean up the spacing here too. So sometimes the formatting gets a little bit wonky when you paste in, but here I'm going to start customizing this so it sounds a little bit more like me. You can preview, so when you preview, you can preview as a subscriber, and you can just type in a subscriber. So I'm just going to put in, oh, and it's looking like it wants me to upgrade when I click on that. So you're on a free plan. The creator plan, which is what you use for sequences, is the upsell. So I'm going to go back. Okay, so I customized this so that it sounds a little bit more like me, and it also is tailored for this audience, and most of them are virtual assistants. So I've done that, and I'm going to go to continue. It's got the subject line split test right here, the from address. You can have it going to all subscribers or just some of them if you want. So I'm just going to send this a little bit later in the day. I like to send it after the morning purge. So 8:44, I would say I'm going to send it at 9, around 9:30. So the morning purge is basically sometimes people open their email and they delete out anything that they don't want to pay attention to. So sometimes it's better to send it a little bit later in the day. Okay, so I don't think I want any preview text. I'm just going to go to continue. Here is the preview, and I'm just going to make sure that my links open up. Each one I like to test just in case I miss something. Okay, so that's looking good, and we're going to schedule the broadcast. Sometimes I also send myself a test email, so just in case I didn't proofread well enough, I like to make sure I do that. If you find an error after you've scheduled it, you can always unschedule. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss the next video. And if you're interested in taking the website creation workshop, go ahead and email me, Gina@techdoneforyou.com, if you have any questions. Have a great day.